know whether you are able to access anything or not. Okay, so do not touch this recording part. Okay, so yesterday what happened, it is the recording is splitted. I don't know whether what happened to application or someone is touched it, that become a, we miss the record. That's the only thing. Otherwise I'll use my own recording part. Okay, we discussed a BitLocker also. I'm going to show you regedit. What is this regedit? Registry. Regedit is nothing but a registry. So if you want, you can search like this. What is a Windows registry? It is introduced in 98, I think. Okay, hierarchical database that stores low-level settings of Microsoft Windows operating system and for application that opts use registry. Kernel, device drivers, services, security account manager, and user interface can be used registry. This is a very simple way. It is okay. So meaning is registry stores everything. Everything means your hardware information, operating system related information, user related information, okay, application related informations, okay, user account related informations. To open a registry, you have to go to run and regedit. The run, use type regedit. Regedit is not MSC, regedit.exe it is. Okay, it is a .exe. So you can use regedit or regedit.exe. It's a registry editor. What is regedit? Registry editor. So you have to edit. If you want to edit, registry editor. For example, so what are these things about a registry? For example, I have a notepad file. If I open notepad file, okay, so it open with the notepad only. So, and if I open a .docx file, okay, it will open with a Windows, Microsoft Word only, or any Word related kind of stuff only it will open. If I open .exe, it is a executable file. Okay, so like that, it is pictures. Okay, like that. So how our system knows how to open a particular things with a particular application. Open with a notepad, how to open with a WordPad, how to open with a Excel. Okay, so execute it like that. So how it is knows because of that information stored in registry, but information stored in registry only. Okay, in the class root, Next, we have hardware information is also there, drivers information is also there, service information is there, application information is also there. For example, I have installed some application, so version is 4. Okay, I'm trying to install same type of application, version is 3. Most of the time it will tell the newer application is already installed. So uninstall your application, then only install a new application, old application. So I don't like version 4. Okay, now I want to install version 3. So it will tell already version 4 is there. You can't install the version 3. If you want to install, you have to uninstall the version 4 and you have to install it, version 3. So how our system knows? Because that application information in the registry. So when you are installing second application, so it will check with that in a registry. So already newer version is there. So obviously you will get a message. That is one point I want to tell. So what is duty of registries? So effect of registry. Okay. Next. Again, I have application for same example only. Now I uninstalled and I am trying to install version 3. I install version 4. Then I try to install a application version 3. For example, VLC player. VLC player 4 I installed. Okay, I don't like it. I uninstalled it. I want to go for a older version. So then I put a version 3. Okay, I installed it and version 3. Again, it is showing your version 4 is already existing. Okay, so you cannot install the older version. Newer version is existing. You cannot install the older version. So that is one more. So why it is we are already uninstalled, right? Even though you are just uninstalled in the registry, the version for information not yet cleared. In the registry, the version for related information is not yet removed. So it will remove information not yet removed. To remove, first restart. So remember guys, if you uninstall any application, better restart once. Then only you can go for next. Okay. So for example, I have some application is there. Okay. I have uninstalled. After uninstallation, I have to restart the computer. So it clears everything. So the temporary files and registry related, it will be cleared automatically. Okay. The it is removed actually. I said not removed, not yet removed, but it is already removed, but not affected. Okay. So now still it is like information is still like there only it is. Okay. Restart PC. Okay. So meaning is actually after uninstallation of application, the application related information will be removed from registry. It removed. Okay. Before you restart only it is removed, but it affects after restart only. Okay. After uninstallation of application, okay, application information removed from registry but not affected. Okay, so it meaning is still it is like it is there only. It's like a temporary, it is like that only. Okay, yes, the registry after restart PC. Okay, not only this guys, any changes you made it, any changes occur either manually or automatically in registry need restart. So even though you are uninstall an application, not install, Okay, if you uninstall an application, okay, you want to clear that information from it, you restart the PC. You went to registry and change something, you have to restart the PC. Okay, next one more example, 2-3 examples are, so don't worry. For example, I install an application, for example, application version 5. 4 only I will take. It is nothing but some trial version. For example, it is a 10 days trial version. 14 days trial versions, 10 days trial versions, 15 days trial versions, 30 days trial version, 90 days trial versions are there, no? 60 days trial versions. Trial version means up to 10 days application works normally. After 10 days, it won't work. So for example, today is 22nd. Okay, no problem. On 10th April, I installed an application. I installed an application on a 10th April. Now, when it will expire? 10 days trial version. Maybe 20th or usually 19th only. So what? 20th April, it will expire, right? So the trial is completed. So what I have done on 18th April, I uninstalled it. And installed it. Now when is my expiry date? Means trial version expiry. What happened? What happened, guys? Can you able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
Yes, sir.
simple question, right? This topic is out of your mind or what? So I will explain from here again. I will explain from starting also once again, but look at here. I have a trial version 10 days. 10th April I installed. 20th April is expiry, 10 days. 18th April I uninstalled that application and I installed it again. Now tell me what is the expiry date? Means trial version end of trial version.
20th.
20 April.
20th April. But I installed it again on 18th. Oh, 28. Correct. 28th April. So I installed on 20th April like this. You know, earlier days, including our Amirpet, that so many institutes are there. So even that there and so many places. Earlier days when we don't, nowadays we are getting full trial, full versions and all cracked versions we got it. So when when they got some trial versions, they want to use it repeatedly. They uninstall the application and then they install it. So what happened? The time is keep extending. Again on 26th or 27th, they installed application, they installed again. But registry is not like that. So what is happen with a new updated version of like Windows and as well as a application related as well as a Windows operating system related. The registry having some information about version 4 and it store the original data. Even if you are uninstalled it, you uninstalled it, still in registry in information is there. It is a trial version and it is installed on a 10th and 10 days expiry date. This is the expiry date. That automatically will get only 2 days only. Okay. Meaning is your original expiry is same only. No changes in it. you have to completely remove your operating system. Sometimes you want to change something, like you install a trial version and you got some key now, so then some cracking kind of stuff is came up. Now you want to crack it. You can't able to do it because of the registry don't let you do it. Some people do date adjustment, not 10 to 20th, 10 days. They don't want to uninstall and install it. So what they will do, they'll keep changing their system date. So they'll put always in a 15th, 16th, like that only. So this now the 20th never comes. So like that. Even the registry is also even though you are doing so a lot of technology wise, like people try to cheat it, but the technology improves the registries, and as well application development, they won't let like that. So that's another example. So this is the installation. What I've done, I'm keep my system date is only 15th only. What happened? So I can use it for so many days with the same date. But later on days, things are came up like a new date, old date, comparative, and clocks. So different time clocks are there, right? So when our system is active, automatically system clock, CPU clock, so that based on that application running. So whenever it is 10 days completed, your date is 15th, but 10 days are completed. Okay. So like that. So this is little, I think some people are confused. Very simple, guys. Registry means it stores everything, everything. Your Windows operating system, hardware, operating system, okay, applications, okay, user information, user applications, it stores. Okay. So my point is, whenever you install an application, the application information stored in registry. Okay. So it controls the behavior of your application also. Okay. So I'm trying to show you a few things here. Okay. So these are the different type of registry hives. This is called as a registry hives. Means H key local machine, user, current configuration, class root, okay, like this. So these are the main 5 things. So first one is class root. So where is the class root? Yeah, it is little difficult. So 5 parts are there. One is class root, local machine, users, current user, hives. These are all called a registry hives. So we'll see that one how it is look like, but only important is registry stores information. How to open a registry? How to open a registry? Go to run regedit. Simply put a regedit or a regedit.exe. Open the regedit. Click on yes. So this is your registry. I will come to this one. So you can see class root, current user, local machine, users current configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the called hives. Okay, you can take a backup of registry. So like you can use import and export. So click on export to backup. So you can back up your registry. After backup, then only you can do any changes. Okay, because of if you change anything wrongly, it may affect on your system. So you want to reset it back. So if you forget how to change it back, or some values are here deleted, again it's very difficult to add it. So then you can restore it from backup using import. Okay, export and import. I use a CC cleaner to do that job. Okay, so no problem. Guys, can you able to see this registry?
Yes, sir.
So this is a class root. So class root is mainly contains all shortcuts, shortcut kind of stuff means .txt, .doc, okay, .zip, all these things are there. So a lot of information, application related, that cooperation related, and also the applications you can able to see here. You see. So I just usually I will show only one example that is called a .txt. So these are all different applications, their related information. Okay. See, this is shortcuts. So this is the last one. .txt I want to show you. Tx. So you can see, look at here. So why it is so much of distance? You can see item name is a notepad.exe. Okay, if I change it to WordPad, so if I open a notepad file, it will open with the WordPad and location of the application, just for understanding only. Or you can go to anything like a .doc, .docx. Okay, so and D means so many back. Yeah, .doc. I have another office that is a WPS is also there. Okay. .docx. Word document. This is the location of my office Word document. So this is a class root. Class root is mainly like a shortcuts applications. Okay. This is a current user. I log in, whatever the user I log in, this users related settings, this user applications, user settings, user authentication, those kind of stuff stores in the current user. This is for all users, users groups. Okay, their current their information stores here, their applications, their printers, settings, like that. This is a this is nothing but a SID of a user. Current configuration is nothing, just this file configuration type only. But important is local machine, class root, local machines. These are very important. So look at this local machine. What happening? Okay. So local machine. So BCD means it's about a booting. So bootable files related kind of stuff. Hardware related. Hardware related. SAM is like a authentication related, security, software and system. Most of the time, we more requirement out of all, more requirement is software only. So I will tell one scenario like this. I have an application. The application is last time I downloaded an application, Oracle 21C, Oracle database 21C. I installed it in my PC, but I got a big problem of that Oracle 21C is location of application is currently this is the one. There is no, okay, this is the application kind of stuff. Okay, there is a no uninstallation string. Certain applications don't have a uninstallation buttons. Like if you go to programs and files, you install the application, you can uninstall it, right? So like that, you can get an installation directly, or go to programs and features, you can able to uninstall the application. So that's the first thing. Second, I have a certain application I installed, Oracle 21C. Oracle usually Express editions don't get any this uninstallation button. Express editions don't get any uninstallations. Only thing is, if you want to uninstall it, you have to stop the services, background services, and delete this folder. Okay, this is the main folder for products, right? So uninstall, remove this product application. Okay, so what happened last time? I told this part. Okay, I try to install Oracle 21C. Say any application, but this has happened to me, so that's why I told that. So I try to install Oracle 21C Express Edition. Okay, it is failed. Installation is failed. Understand? It is installation is failed first of all. So now what I want to do is I want to install again, and it is throwing like this. Already installed. It is not installed. It is installation is failed or stop. Put in with it is stopped. Means failed means stopped or closed kind of stuff. Okay, something is happened. I think I stopped it. Okay, I try to install it again. It's showing it is already installed. I want to uninstall. Nothing is there. No uninstallation string. Those options I didn't find it. So I deleted files. I deleted a files from system, next system, and again install again. Again it is showing already installed. Existing, already exist array installed it is showing. So what I have done finally, I went to regedit. Okay, so H key local machine. I went to this H key local machine. It should be in a caps, but it's okay. Under this one, I went to software. Okay. Under software. So find out where is this Oracle kind of stuff. Here it is a Oracle. But Oracle has a lot of products. Java is also one of the Oracle product. Okay. So Java deploy is there. VirtualBox is also Oracle product. Okay. So what I have done, I deleted these things. See, it is key for a DB to a DB21 home to. It is means 21.2 version. So it is. So can you see in a registry also there is a so many of information where is it is installed. So you can see at least you can see this is the location of this particular service installed. So G drive, see apps, niche product 21 like this. So see this is my G drive. Here is my original application location. This information is still there. Even though I deleted this data, but in registry the information is there. That's why I can't able to install it. So what I have done, I removed this related data like this, like this. Okay. So finally I removed all this Oracle related data. Okay. So this is also related to this one only. See. So I verified and I removed this data. So this is also belongs to that one. So this one, this one, this one. Three things I deleted. I didn't delete this one and this one. I deleted this only. Okay. So once I deleted, I restarted and again I try to install it. Okay. So under this one, so you can I found like a key for a DB2 21 home 2. Okay, I deleted this one and also ODP. That time it is not there, I think. .NET Oracle MTS recovery. Okay, I deleted these two things. Actually, I seen only these two things that time. So I deleted those two things and I restarted my PC. And I restarted PC. Then I try to install my Oracle 21C. It's actually 21.2. That's it is showing home 2. Okay. So then it is successfully installed. Meaning is, guys, sometimes you install some application. The application may not remove from your registry. So what to do? You uninstalled application or you delete the related files, but still it is information is there in your registry. So go to that particular application. You can try to remove it. Okay, this is Git related application. GitHub, Git, not GitHub, Git only it is. So my Lenovo related, lot of applications are there Lenovo related. Microsoft. So Microsoft related applications. Okay, Oracle, Python, Python core. So I have installed 3 kind of stuff earlier. So like it is 3.10, 3.6 and 3.8. I removed 3.6. Still it is showing it is there. Okay. So 3.6. So Python version 3.8. Python version 3.10. I think currently I have only 3.10. I have to check it and remove from there. Okay. So Can you understand? So how many versions I installed? It stored different versions wise also it is stored. Okay. So this is the IDLE location, Python IDLE location. Now I installed this application, but it is not removed from here. So what I have to do? Right click and delete it. Okay. So once you deleted it, you have to restart to get effect. Real VNC. I think I am not using that real VNC like this. This is a viewer VNC, and it is also showing some license key. Even I never use any license key for that one. Even I didn't remember when I used the last time VNC kind of stuff also. Okay. So even though your license keys also stores in your registry. So this is the story of your registry, guys. I think this is one example wise I try to explain. So okay. So registries are very sensitive. When you install any application, if application contains any trojans, okay, trojans, malwares, spywares, okay, so it is hooked to your registry. It is hooked to your registry. So why it is going to registry? If you can able to control the registry of a PC, you can control the entire system, because everything in the system is connected to registry only. Your applications, your operating system, user authentication, everything is connected to registry only. Windows registry. I don't know how many people understand. Or everybody is silent today. Yesterday, little bit. Okay. Okay. So, guys, tell me, understand or not understand? Are totally confused?
I understand, sir.
Okay. So one small wise, like a little only I will tell. Okay. So I told stories now, so then it may confuse the people. Good. If you understand, that is important. So if you don't understand, just look at here. Understand or no understand, just once again. So Windows registry, the registry stores everything. Very simple. Stores everything. Everything means your Microsoft operating system, your drivers, your services, users, applications stores in registry. Okay. To open a registry editor, you can go to run regedit or a regedit.exe. Okay. Regedit means it's a registry editor. If you change anything in the registry, compulsory you need a restart. Okay. Next, the registry contains 5 hives: class root, local machine, user, current configurations. Okay. And in that one, I told one example, that is, I got a problem, like I installed some application. I'm unable to remove that application from my system. So you can see this is my Eclipse. I have installed 3 Eclipses unnecessarily. This is enough. Enterprise is enough. These two are not required. And that to PHP, I am not using any PHP now. So I started, but that it's little confusion of PHP is there. Okay. So we need a server. Of course, I got a server, but that you set up and start learning is PHP like that one. Okay, so leave it about it. So this is anyway not working. Okay, so the relevant files. Okay, even though, so this is an application. Right click on that shortcut. So I am not getting any uninstallation thing. So app is .cpl. For go to, okay, so app is .cpl will go to programs and features. So what it will go, app is .cpl. So I'm trying to find where is this Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse is not there. I searched for a Eclipse. I didn't find any Eclipse here. I can find my this thing like a Apache NetBeans I can find, so I can directly uninstall it. But Eclipse is I didn't find. So what I have to do? So what I'm doing is just right click, go to properties or open file location. You can go to properties or open file location. So it is showing eclipse.exe like this. So this is the main folder. So this is under Eclipse, eclipse.exe. So this is Eclipse. So you can see the different kind of stuff. Java, JEE. You can see like this is the folder belongs to that particular Eclipse. So what I have to do? I removed it. So I right click and I deleted that folder. After deleting the folder, that application won't work. But if you want to install it again, okay, but in a registry, the links are available. Okay, so I deleted that application. Then I have to go to registry. Guys, I'm showing in my physical machine does not mean you should do in your physical machine. For a first few trials, you have to do on any virtual machines. I'm trying to find where is the Eclipse here under local machine software. So try to find Eclipse or Eclipse company. That's which company it is. It is belongs to like that also there. Application is different and the main organization is different. E right? Eclipse means E. There is no E here. Okay, somewhere it will be there. Maybe it is under Oracle. No, it is not under Oracle. Eclipse is main company. You should know it. This is a organization. Periform. This is CC Cleaner. This is Spacey. Look at this. So CC Cleaner and Spacey, two applications, but their main company is Periform. Oracle, we've seen already this Oracle. I'm unable to find where it is located. Somewhere you can easily find. This is Windows and kind of stuff. You can try it under Microsoft also. Microsoft. Under Microsoft. It's not a Microsoft product, but try under Microsoft also. Okay, again we have to search in Google like where is the registry link. Okay, if you don't find it, Windows. Current version. So even this is also we didn't find. This is another important link. My software, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version. This is also do certain settings. This is your operating system related, your settings is in this link. Certain settings, permanent setting changes. You can find those related application related settings here. Okay, so I'm unable to find, leave it. So whatever it is, the related Eclipse IDE like based on their organization level. Okay, so what you have to do, the company, that's which company it is belongs to it. So based on that, you have to search and delete from the registry. So that is what I am trying to tell an example. Okay. So this is about your registry. I took a lot of time on it, so I have to take very less time, but I take a lot of time. That's it. Guys, understand or not?